hope you have enjoyed and liked the car. Yes. So let us begin the demonstration. People are different. Yes, agree? People are different. Their opinion are different. And for the vehicle also, people will always have different opinion about the car, right? But the Innova is the only car in India which enjoys the same opinion, and the opinion is Wah Innova. Yes or no? Yes. Over the last 17 years of Innova in India, Innova has found its home in over 10 lakhs family in India, which is a very good number, and it attracts a very good loud round of applause. Along with the 10 lakhs number of Innova in India, it has also won many prestigious awards from JD Power, like Automotive Performance Appreciation and Layout Award. It has also won Initial Quality Survey Award and the Most Dependable Vehicle Award. And with the new Innova, I am sure that the number will only increase. Yes or no? Yes. Looking at the front of the car, it has got a very attractive and very sporty front. If you look at the green, it has got nice gunmetal finish along with the chrome surround. The headlamps are 3-layered LED along with LED fog lamps and dual-purpose LED DRL. The bumper is also very sporty and making the vehicle a very sporty appearance even from the front. When you look at the vehicle from the side, it is huge, isn't it? Yes. This is the biggest Innova ever made, and this is the best Innova ever made. So if you look at the vehicle, it has got nice 18-inch alloy wheel. The wheelbase is 2850, which has increased the legroom at a very good level inside the car. And when you talk about the safety, it has got the latest safety in Innova, which is Toyota Safety Sense Level 3. The vehicle comes with dynamic radar cruise control, which is as per the vehicle speed, which is going ahead of you. The vehicle will adjust its speed automatically. It also gets automatic braking. It has got lane trace assist, means as per the lane on the road, it will drive automatically. And along with other host of safety features like 6 airbags, 360-degree camera, hill start assist control, vehicle stability control, the Innova is a very safe car and it is better than ever before. And when it comes to the interior is very luxury. Like the vehicle is just like a luxury SUV, the interior is like a premium sedan. And believe me, when you see the car, you will admit that yes, the interiors are like just a premium sedan. Along with the features, like it has got a very big music system with 9 premium JBL speakers and a subwoofer. The vehicle is also having the seat ventilation, and there are many features like the driving seat memory and also a very good armrest for making your ride comfortable. Coming to the rear, like the front, the rear is also very attractive, and overall the vehicle is having a very good road presence. Hope you all like the car. Yes. Requesting you all to please come ahead and experience the all new Innova firsthand. Thank you so much. Please come ahead.